So why doesn't my RaiderCanvas look like my colleagues' RaiderCanvas? We're all moving to a new learning management system from Blackboard to RaiderCanvas. That means faculty, staff, and students. The good news is our students, they're adjusting easily, and we've really had minimal questions in all of our pilots in this summer. So that's exciting. But you might have some questions about why your RaiderCanvas seems a little bit different from someone else's. We're in this together, and we like to say that we're building the plane as we fly it. In other words, we're crowdsourcing, we're constantly thinking about our context, and we're shifting and making adjustments. So let me give you an example of one of those adjustments. You might see it play out like this. The best practice for course development is for you to work in what we call a development shell. A development shell doesn't have students. It allows you to tinker with your course, to make the choices that you want to make, and then to copy it to your live shell, which is populated with students. We think this is best practice. It's highly recommended. What we found out is that when our faculty colleagues would copy their development shell to their live shell, some of the templated information would be duplicated. This means that it costs you time to clean it up. So we made a change. The live shells are now blank, so that course material or those templated things won't be duplicated. There's one exception. So if you look here on my screen, you see that I'm in the syllabus feature. And here's a good example of some of that templated information. For someone who's never really created a syllabus and needs a little bit of prompting, this is a great tool. This templated information could walk you through creating a course syllabus. Some of you would never use this and you already have syllabi. Maybe you've done this for forever. We left the course syllabus templated information in your live shell because we also, on this syllabus feature, include the course statements. So the required course statements, we maintain those. You never have to worry about them. We'll make updates. We'll change if someone has an office change, we'll change it. We also have recommended statements and AI statements, and we wanted the very latest version of these updated statements to be available for you. So your live shell will be essentially blank except for the syllabus feature. You'll just need to clean that up a little bit and make sure that it represents the content that is most updated and that you want to have in your syllabus. Everything else will be blank, and that course will easily copy from a development shell to a live shell. But what you might notice is that there are different versions of the templated information. Some that we started with really early when we began RaiderCanvas, and those that we've just added now. Again, we're learning together, we're building the plane as we fly it, and we can do this. I'm going to add a resource at the end of this video. That's a link to the RaiderCanvas support email. If you have questions, drop us an email. We'll get to you as soon as we can. Thanks.